All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to High Universal Court. You know what we normally do here is theory and practical product review, giving you the best. Understand? We are not the best, but we are trying. So today, I want to talk about this clipper that I just bought for my customer. You know, a lot of people have been commenting, sir, which kind of clipper should I buy? Which kind of clipper lasts longer? And I'll be like, all clippers are good, understand, depending on your budget, understand. So now, I've been into this field, I will not lie to you, understand, because I don't like lying. I will not lie to you. I will tell you everything that you need to know and the kind of product that I use. You can still use it, you can still use another product. Now, this clipper that I bought today, I want to show us, and there is something about it I want to tell us. I've been using the clipper. That is the clipper I recommend to my customers. You understand? So this customer of mine has been disturbing that I should get clipper for him. Now I want to tell us that whenever you want to buy clipper, whenever you want to buy anything that you are not in that field, make sure that you give it to your customer. For example, this clipper now, if you want to buy clipper, try giving it to your barber to get it for you. Do you know one thing? Now let me burst your bubble. If you are not a barber and you go to the market to buy a clipper, when you get there, they will give you a clipper. There are clipper and there are clippers. They will give you from the clippers, which is among the quantities, not the qualities. Understand? Are you getting my point now? Now, if I want to buy clipper for my customer, when I get to where I normally buy things, I used to tell them that, guy, I'm the one that wants to use it. You know, it's a commercial use. Now there are clippers that are very very okay, that when they know that you're a barber, they will give it to you. But if they know that you're not a barber, they will give you the one that should be personal use now, and should be just once in a while, just barber. But constantly use, commercial use, they will give you the one that is very very good. And there is advantage between a barber going to buy clipper for you and you yourself going to buy it. You now, if you go to buy clipper, if you are not a barber, when you get there, they bring clipper for you and tell that it's good. You look at it, they on it for you. You will not check the vibration. There is what we call fullness of clipper, the vibration, if it is full or not. But if you're a barber, you check all those things. When you on it, you feel the vibration to know if this one will last or not. Understand? Because the roto, it has high and low, but most people don't know. That's why it's good for you to give it to a barber to get for you. And besides, a barber has the right to use the clipper, open the blade to check that inside roto. There is one thing that is there. Sometimes it's manufacturer error. If they do not do it very well, the clipper will be disturbing, the blade will not be balanced. Understand? When you change the blade to buy another blade to put it, it will not be balanced. Shey you get? But a barber has the right, knows everything about what I'm saying. So you open it, check it very well if the that plastic is well balanced, so that even if you change the blade and buy another blade, it will lap. I'm giving you expo, right? So this person has been disturbing that I should get clipper for. I told him to calm down. He sent money to me last week. Yeah, I told him to chill because another customer of mine still wants to buy something, so I want to buy everything at once. So I went today, I bought it, and I'm going to show us. Now there is another thing I want to tell you. I always tell most of my customers that you should get your own personal clipper. It's very very good, because it's not much. No. They know that, okay, I'm neat. Yes, I do wash my stuff, my tools very well. But what of maybe you travel out, or you go to another state and you want to barb your hair? Most people do not wash their face brush very well, their hair brush very well, their cover cloth very well. They don't wash it very well. That's always tell them that try to get your own personal clipper. I have a lot of my customers, I've bought clipper for them. Whenever they come to barb their hair, they will just sit down majestically. Once you get to their turn, once they come, I take their bag. Everything I'm going to use is theirs. Understand? After barbing, I clean it and put it back and give it to them. Hygienic is very very good. Now most of us, you think that when you go to salon and barb your hair, after barbing your hair, you start developing bumps, start seeing small small rashes, you think it's the clipper. It's not the clipper only. Get this thing now, it's not only the clipper. Sometimes the first brush that they used to take powder from is from there that that germs, that disease came from. Are you getting my point? Some salon they don't wash it very well. They use this face wash, brush another person's face, use it under the neck, you still use it for another person, since another person, but there is nothing like your own personal something. Are you getting it? So this my customer sent money to buy only clipper for him. I'm going to show us the clipper. Please, if you are learning something, you are benefiting from this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share. When you subscribe, turn your notification bell on so that whenever we put a video, be it practical, any haircut that you want, comment it, we will do it. We will make sure that we do it. This channel is all about theory and practical, giving us the best, no lies about it. Understand? So when I get when he sent the money, he told me that I should get only one clipper for him. So when I go to the market and bought the clipper, I was like, no, I don't want this one to be different, because most of my customers always buy everything, all the kits complete. So I bought everything. I told him that you are going to balance. He said okay. When I made a video about what I bought for him, he saw it, he laughed, he smiled, he said he really appreciated that, he loved it, he's going to balance me. Understand? We are talking about personal hygiene. Understand? You have to get your own clipper. Now, what kind of clipper should you use? Or what kind of clipper am I using? A lot of people have been asking me, oh, what type of clipper are you using? I'm going to show us now. Calm down, relax, chill. Give us a thumbs up. Click that like button. Click it. Give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. Share this video. Let other people to benefit from it. So today, I bought hairbrush for him, face brush for him, cover cloth for him, clipper bag for him, clipper oil for him, then the clipper. This is what makes make up what a complete kit, and I bought it for him so that even if he is not coming to my side to barb them, maybe he goes to another place to barb his hair. Once he gets there, he will just bring out his bag. They use everything. You know that okay. Even if he's developing anything, you know that he is from his skin, it's from inside his body. Understand? So this is what I bought for him. I want to show us so that if you want it and if you want to buy, make sure you tell your barber. Most barbers, I don't want to talk, understand, because me too, I'm a barber, because we are all different, we are all human beings, so nobody is perfect. Some people, they are afraid to give their barber money because their barber might eat the money or run away or tell them come to the country or go and later buy rubbish for them. Understand? But if you trust your barber, make sure that you give it to him to buy for you. He knows the best to get for you. So for those of us that have been commenting, sir, what kind of people are using? Please, which one should I buy? Now let me tell you about what they call quantity and quality. I told one of my guys that if you have someone commented that his budget was 20 to 25 or 30,000, you get a good clipper. There are clipper that is 18,000, 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, 40,000, 50,000, 70,000, depending. But you know that some clipper that is 50,000, the one that is 18,000 is even better than that one. It's real barbers that will tell you. I bought one clipper one time. Okay, I bought two. So I was using the other one. I was using the other one as well. So any small thing, that one battery will just run down. While the other one, I will charge it 100%. I will barb like 7, 8, 9 hairs before it get to 60%. I'll be like God. I love that clipper so much. While the other one, before I could finish one person, hey, it don dey reach 30%. I later go and change the battery, but the battery, the one that I change now, is lasting, but the other one I'm still using it. I love it. So when this my customer told me to get clipper for him, I said, okay, one, what you need to look out for when buying clipper is the battery capacity, the battery mAh, the capacity. You check it very well. Check the rotor, the vibration, if it's full or not. There are some clipper that look very very fine and nice, but the vibration is not full. Understand? So all this thing you need to know it. That's why I'm putting this video out. So if you are learning something, give us a thumbs up, like, comment and share. To not remove anything from you. And if you want to be part of this family, you are highly welcome, because you are going to learn a lot. I'm sure that like 100 and something people here now, they are getting more better now in terms of barbing, because comment is too much. People are commenting. Those people are thanking me. I'm not God. I'm only doing this because please, those people are thanking me. Serious, just be consistent. One action question, what will we make him to be a better barber? Just be consistent, keep pushing. Admit your mistake and don't be shy away from it. Understand? Just be consistent, keep pushing. If anyone tells you that you not do it well, next day you will do it well. Nobody is perfect. No barber is perfect. I cannot say that this barber is better than me or I'm better than this barber. No, we are all doing our own in our own capacity. Everybody have his own creativity. You understand? So here is the clipper and other accessories that I bought for this customer. Let me show you guys. This is what we call what? Face brush. Imagine you are using this one alone. And some people, look at what I was telling us. This face brush now. So okay, for example, like today now, if you go to a salon now, or maybe weekend, they will use one face brush. Maybe if they barb 20 people hair or 30 people hair that day, they will use that same face brush to clean all their faces. Is it good? No, you have to have yours. I bought it for him. This one is cover clothes. Sometimes if you cover your customer now, if you cover him or her, and after barbing him, there is heat under. The heat will soak. Even if you put neck wrap, there is still heat under. The heat will still soak in. So you need to have your own. Understand? I bought it for him. This is clipper oil. This one is not necessary like that, but some barbers, once this one finish, to buy it is hard for them. They go and be using kerosene or using fuel, mixing it, or using engine oil. All this is not good. So I bought it for him, so that once he gets it, if they are barbing him, maybe if they are using kerosene, they will not use it for him. They use it. Understand? I bought it for him. Now, this one is what? Hairbrush. I bought this one for him too. Now, let it be his own personal something. Not that you use the brush somebody that has dandruff, you brush finish, the next thing you do, you just snack it on your deck, another person will call, you still use it. No, personal hygiene. I bought it for him too. Now, this one too, this is clipper bag. I bought it for him. I'm using it. I have mine. So I bought this one too for customers too, because it's very very good. Sometimes I do, if I wear my native, when I'm on native corporate, I used to carry it. Understand? Because it's very very good. It's very very good. Very very original. I bought it for him. Now, the main one, which is the clipper. Let's unveil it. The clipper that I've been using, that you people have been asking me, the name of the clipper is Kiki. Now Kiki I dey use. I'm using Kiki, and I love this clipper. I love it. This one has what? Now, if you want to buy clipper, even if you want to go alone, or you are listening very attentively, what you look out for is this 2000 mAh battery. Some they will not write it, some they will write 3000, but it's not up to 1000 sef. It's nothing, it will drain. But this one I've been using it and I love it. Let me show you. I think this is it. Yeah. This is it. I've been using it. This is my own. That I've been using it. It's giving me what I want. Imagine me, commercial user, and you, that is private user. What are you saying? This one will overlast you die. This one, no wahala. I've been using it. I've since 4 months now. Going 5 months. I've been using it. No wahala. It's very last. It lasts longer. 100%. I will use it to. I love it. That is why I buy it for him. Understand, guys? So this is the clipper I normally use. Sticky. It's sticky. I love it. It's sticky. Buy the one that has what? Digital. All those one. The other one that don't have digital, I don't like it because sometimes the battery is going down, you will not know shey you get. I love this one and it's very strong. Let me open it so that you can see what I'm talking about. I just come back from the market. This is it. You can see it, right? This is it. This is the charger. This is the charger. Sorry guys. This is the charger. These are the steps. You know it now. These are the steps. Then this is the clipper. Very good. I love it. So this is the clipper I'm using. Sorry guys. This is it. So guys, this is the clipper. Sorry guys. So this is the clipper. Very good. Very good. The vibration is mad. Alright guys, so this is the clipper I'm using. I still use another product, but I prefer this product. That is why I'm advertising it. I prefer this product. That is why I'm advertising it. Understand? I love this product. So guys, if you learn something from this video, don't forget to share. Let other people benefit from it. Don't be stingy. And like, subscribe, and share. Please. Anything you want me to talk about, any product you want me to talk about, any clipper that you're using that's giving problem that you want to know about, comment it in the comment section. I will attend to it. Love you guys. I still remain high universal court. Love you guys.